The Pilbara, a vast, arid, untamed land. At last, this land has woken from its long, silent sleep. A milestone that will impact Australia's future. The Roy Hill project now begins with Samsung C&T. The Roy Hill project is a mega project with 2.4 billion tons of iron ore deposit located in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. The unlocking of which will mark a new chapter in the worldwide iron ore mining market. The Samsung C&T $5.6 billion EPC Roy Hill project commenced in April 2013 and aims to load its first ore onto a ship in September 2015. The EPC Roy Hill project is broken down to 4 main work packages and includes an iron ore process plant, railway, port landside stockyard, and port infrastructure. Package 1 consists of a processing plant which cleans, sizes, and beneficiates iron ore into lump and fines, products ready for export, and is capable of 7,857 tons per hour. 2 crushing stages will reduce the mined raw ore to less than 150 millimeters in size. The 14.3-kilometer overland conveyor is designed to enhance the efficiency and durability of chutes, and will transport and process in excess of 10,000 tons of iron ore per hour. Ore recovered from the stockyard will be washed and scrubbed in order to remove some fines and impurities. Through this scrubbing process, about 70 to 80% of raw ore will become iron ore. Following scrubbing, the iron ore will go through a screen and will be classified according to size. Once screened, iron ore particles greater than 40 millimeters in size will be returned to the crushing procedure and thereafter transferred to the stockyard. Particles less than 1 millimeter in size will go through a desanding process to recover iron ore fines. These iron ore particles will be dehydrated to become iron cake by belt conveyor and will be sent to the fine stockyard to recycle the iron cake into fines. Water used for processing iron ore will be moved to the thickeners, which will settle slurry and be recovery water for reuse. All these processes will be conducted in the stockyard, capable of stacking up to 55 million tons per year. Package 1 processes are completed with the loading of trains with washed and filtered iron ore in 2 product categories, lump and fines. Package 2 will construct a heavy haul railway to deliver the processed iron ore from the mine site in the Pilbara to the port facility at Port Hedland. It is a large-scale infrastructure development which involves the construction of a 340-kilometer single-line railway and includes the construction of 11 bridges with an average length of 123 meters. Railway track is constructed with state-of-the-art mechanized technology at a rate of approximately 1.5 kilometers per day. Once Package 2 has completed the work, the railway will be capable of delivering 32,000 tons of iron ore from the mine site to the dedicated port facility in less than 7 hours. Package 3 will construct facilities to stockpile and handle iron ore delivered by rail. And Package 4, a port facility to load by ship loader onto shipping vessels for export. Iron ore transported by rail from the mine will be unloaded through a car dumper facility and onto a conveyor and transferred to the port stockpile area. The dual-cell car dumper will grip and rotate 2 wagons simultaneously to discharge a wagon payload of 138 tons of iron ore. The apron feeder transports the iron ore from the car dumper onto the stockyard transfer conveyor. Stockpiled iron ore in the stockyard will be transported to the port export facility constructed by Package 4 through a screening process which removes generated fines from the lump product. Once screened, the iron ore will be transported via the 3.6-kilometer long overland conveyor onto the 780-meter-long wharf for further handling by the ship loader. Package 4 processes are complete when the export ship is loaded with mined saleable iron ore products. The extensive geography of the Roy Hill project demands multiple work fronts, and each package is progressing works on these many fronts as planned. Package 1 is progressing with earthworks, equipment purchases, and concrete works for infrastructure facilities. A number of steel frames will be built on the concrete foundations, and the majority of the process plant construction will be completed by March 2015. Package 2 is progressing with earthworks, railbed formation, and rail track work in planned schedule. All rail bridges are completed, and the 340-kilometer heavy-haul railway will be constructed and completed by May 2015. Package 3 is progressing the concrete structure for the car dumper and screen facilities. And Package 4 is progressing the construction of overland conveyor and pile driving activities for the wharf structures as scheduled. Package 3 and 4 will complete the 19-kilometer railway, stockyard, conveyor, and 780-meter wharf facility by May 2015. One of the mega projects that will impact the worldwide iron ore industry with international investment from a global consortium. Now the whole world's focus and attention is drawn to the Pilbara, with the most advanced technology and expertise, and every single man's commitment, hard work, and passion. We promise to complete the mega EPC project successfully.